Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to unprotect the Excel workbook without knowing the password using a password remover tool called PassFab in just few minutes. Using this tool, you can recover passwords for your Windows keys, Microsoft Office files, and also the phone passwords. I have given link to this tool in the description for your ready reference and also mention a discount code. Let me show you a demo in this video now. See, while I'm trying to open this file, it is prompting me to enter the password to open. Now, I don't remember the password and I would like to access the data inside this Excel workbook. But with the help of this PassFab tool, you can successfully unprotect Excel workbook without even knowing the password. Let me close this Excel now. Let us see how to remove password protect using this tool and how to access the data. From here, you click on this download option and install this software into your system. I have already installed this into my local drive. So I'm clicking this software PassFab for Excel to open. Select the first option, Recover Excel Open Password option. You can click on this plus icon to import the Excel file or simply drag your Excel into the software like this. Now select any one of these three methods to recover the password. Let's wait for a moment. Once it is done, you can see the password like this. Click on copy and now go to the desktop and open the Excel workbook. Paste the password here and now you can simply open and access the data in this workbook like this. Awesome, right? Let us remove the encrypt password now like this. Okay. Close this Excel workbook. Now let us see the second example. If you have forgotten the protected password, you can't edit the workbook like this, right? Close this workbook now and again open the PassFab for Excel tool. Now select the second option, Remove Excel Restriction Password. Drag your Excel into the software and click on remove. It's done. See how quick it is. Click on open folder and now open this Excel file. And now you can easily edit this sheet like this. Got it? It's very easy and quick, right? So friends, this is all about how to unprotect the Excel workbook without knowing the password using a password remover tool called PassFab. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.